Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the difference between start and update in Unity. So let's start it off. Let's take a look at our friend Steven here. And I want you guys to take a look over here, transform. And I want you to keep that in mind and kind of show you, let's show you quickly how that works. So if we go over transform and move it around, we can see that Steven moves also. We can rotate him, tilt him up and down, spin him around, all the fun stuff. Make it bigger, smaller, all that good stuff. Perfect. So to really show the difference between start and update, let's actually use that transform component. So we're going to create a new script. We're going to call it mover, create and add. And we'll click on mover, we'll get that script opened up. Perfect. So start is used as a way of updating the very first frame. So start is used as a way of updating the very first frame. So let's show you how that works. So if you remember our transform, we're going to use translate, which is basically allows us to utilize the vector 3 that we saw there previously. So it goes X, Y, and Z. And so instead of just putting variables or putting those letters, we're actually going to put in numbers. So let's do 1, 0, and 1. We're going to save that, and we'll head back into our scene, let it compile, and let's just pull out a little bit further from Steven so you can see. And if I press play, you're going to see Steven moved. But he didn't keep moving. He moved once, and that was it. Pull us in. I should pull in a little closer so you can see. Do it one more time. Press play. Moves just once. Back over to our script. However, so if we looked at now update occurs every single frame. So it's continued in a way. Let's get rid of this. And so let's show you what that difference looks like. Let it compile. Oh, turns out I was already pressing play there. All right, let's try that again. So let's back out. Oh, stay there, Steven. Grab our camera. Let's move back a little bit. So you can see I press play. And Steven takes off. He's gone. And it keeps going every single frame. Pull back even further. So you can watch Steven just absolutely rocket away. And he's gone. And there you go. That is the main difference between start and update.